Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp Desktop for beginners on Windows. First, I'm opening WhatsApp Desktop from my computer. After opening WhatsApp, you'll see the main WhatsApp interface. Your chats are displayed on the left side, and the selected conversation appears on the right side. Let's start with sending a message. I'll select a chat from the left side, click on the message box at the bottom, type a message, and press enter to send it. You can also send photos, videos, and documents from your computer. To do this, click the plus or attachment icon next to the message box. Then choose the type of file you want to send, select the file from your computer, and send it. If you want to find a particular conversation, you can use the search option. Simply type the name of a contact or a keyword to quickly find what you need. To start a new conversation, click the New Chat button and select a contact from your list. At the top of a chat, you may also see options for voice call and video call. These allow you to communicate with your contacts directly from your computer when available. You can also open settings to manage your WhatsApp preferences, notifications, privacy, and other options. So as a beginner, these are the main features you should know when using WhatsApp Desktop. You can send messages, share files, search chats, start new conversations, and manage your settings directly from your Windows computer. And that's how to use WhatsApp Desktop for beginners in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.